We are fishing in a snowstorm, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another trout fishing video. Sorry for the repetition on these trout videos, but we don't have a lot of options up here in Maine. We've had very little cold weather, and the only ponds we can fish are small ponds. None of my pike ponds are open. I did find a new crappie lake about a week ago, but that was wide open after the Christmas rain. We had like 60-degree temps with 2 inches of rain, and it completely annihilated our ice. So our options are very limited up here in Maine right now. As you guys can see, we're fishing in a pretty good snowstorm. We're supposed to get like 10 inches of snow right now. Unfortunately, we have an east wind, which is my least favorite wind to fish out of. But we'll see how it goes. I'm only going to fish for about 3 hours this morning, and I'm going to head home. And I think we're going to hit the same lake tomorrow. But we're going to get rolling. We're going to see how the morning shapes up, and hopefully we tie into a fish or two. First flag of the morning, guys. Quite a bit slower than yesterday, but that's how it goes. So we got a fish on. Yeah, hit and run. Took my bait. All right, let's try for round 2. That is a feisty one. Second flag of the morning, my closest one in. I just checked this like 5 seconds ago. Yeah, there's a fish on that. It's right off to the side, completely wrapped around. I don't know if we had a backlash. That's too bad. That's probably a lost fish. Yeah, that was a hit, guys. I think we backlashed though. I had that problem yesterday too. There's some pretty good fish in here, and they'll hit it so hard that they'll backlash. Third flag of the day, furthest one out. Fingers crossed. Hoping third time's a charm on this one. Well, hit and run. Third hit and run of the day. We took out a little more line on that one, so hopefully that's a good sign. Same flag just went up. Oh, it's ripping. I didn't bring a scooper, but we got a fish on. Yeah, we got a fish on. I'm gonna take him. Fish on. Feels like a trout. Stay pinned. Stay pinned, buddy. Nice trout. First trout of the day. They've been fussy for sure. I'm gonna release this fish, so we're just gonna pop this hook out. And away she goes. That blood right there wasn't gill blood. That was, she was hooked on the top of the mouth. Kind of surprised. She was bleeding as much as she did, but that wasn't gill blood, so she should make it no problem. Nothing like a little fire on a cold, windy, snowy day like today. Trying to get my gloves dried out a little bit. They are drenched. My hands are pretty well cold, so just doing a little fire to warm them up a little bit. No, hit and run. Well, not every day is a banger fishing day, guys. Much slower than yesterday. We caught a ton of fish yesterday, and just being real fussy today. So got about another half hour, 45 minutes. I think maybe I'll cook up some hot chocolate, and we'll call it a day. Starting to get a little bit of bubbles. And there goes the hot chocolate. It is hot chocolate time. Well, here's to a snowy day fishing up here in Maine. Oh yeah, perfect. Not too warm that's going to burn you, but warm enough so you know you're drinking hot chocolate. Ooh, flag, 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 flag. of the best tips I can give you. If you're having a slow fishing day, either start cooking or say you're gonna move spots and flags will start flying. Oh yeah, it's going. I can hear it going. I can hear it. I'm gonna wait for one more tug, then we'll snag it. Oh, hit and run. Oh, right under the hole. He just missed it just as I was pulling it up. I'm gonna hold this line, see if he'll come back and hit it. Because he was definitely following it. Alright, we're packing up. Here's what's left of the fire. Just a little bit of ash, a couple random sticks. Completely out. Alright, we're heading out of here. As you can see, this jet sled is pulling miserably. I've gone, I don't know, maybe 100 yards. I have another, I don't know, probably 200 to go. This snow is just sticky enough that it's trying to stick to the bottom of that jet sled. But we're gonna sign off there, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that quick one. I'm hoping to be on some pike lakes here in 2 weeks. It's gonna be a couple because of the warm Christmas rain that we had and this snow. And we could get like 20 inches of snow midweek, which is like worst case scenario. But fingers crossed we don't get the 20 inches and it's on the lower side, because I'd like to be catching some pike in like 2 weekends. But fingers crossed. And we're gonna sign off there, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.